Ito mga nasisirang kalsada dulot ng kalumaan. Ito na nasabi guys na Hilongos to Mahaplag Road.
Base po dito sa Google Earth, nag-start tayo ng biyahe dito sa Barangay Hilaan, going to Barangay Hitawos to Barangay Pamigsian, hanggang makaabot tayo dito sa Tagaytay Pamigsian, na kung saan makikita natin itong may ginagawang Hilongos to Mahaplag Road, hanggang makaabot tayo dito sa Barangay Ulisian. Natanaw natin ang Mahaplag Hilongos Road.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel GBA Travel Vlog. Yung bibisitahin naman natin barangay ngayon ay itong Barangay Ulisihan, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. Halos 4 na taon din na huli nating binisita itong Barangay Ulisihan. Nandito pala tayo ngayon sa May Junction Road, going to Barangay Pungon. Ito na yung patungong Barangay Hilaan, Bontoc. Dito naman yung patungong Barangay Baogo, Bontoc. May vlog pa tayo kung makaabot na tayo doon sa may Barangay Ulisihan, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. Titingnan din natin yung may ginagawang kalsada doon sa may Tagaytay Pamigsian, yung Hilongos to Mahaplag Road. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa Barangay Hilaan. I love Barangay Hilaan. Para sa kaalaman ng nakararami, ang Barangay Hilaan ay isa sa may pinaka maraming populasyon dito sa bayan ng Bontoc. At nasa bulubundukin ito na lugar. At ito na po, may ginagawan tulay oh. Kataas ba ng tulay ah? Ang taas-taas naman nitong tulay. Kasi palaging binabaha to dito. Cemented na kalsada naman dito. Maganda naman yung kalsada dito guys. Sementado na. Barangay Banahaw. Nandito na tayo sa may Barangay Banahaw, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. Simentado na. Last nating bisita dito guys, hindi pa ito simentado. Ngayon simentado na. At least may improvement ng kalsada dito. At dito nagtatapos yung concrete road. Nandito na tayo sa rough roads. Nandoon yung barangay Hitawos. Dito tayo patungo sa barangay Pamigsian. John Me Van. So guys, patungo na tayo sa may barangay Pamigsian. Ito mga nasisirang kalsada na guys, dulot ng kalumaan. Ito mga rough roads to na maraming bato, nakalitaw ng mga bato. May ambon na dito guys. Sana wag uulan. Nako. Dati din kuya. Dati yung pagpunta ko dito ganito. Oh, may ambon. Oh. Kasi dito itong barangay Pamigsian ay nasa tuktok na dito. Kaya makaranas tayo ng ganito. Ambon na guys. Parang kulang timpla ng kalsada dito, no? Oh? Dito, simento to. Pero na nga nawala yung ano. Kulang ng templada. Hitawos. We are now entering at Barangay Pamigsian. Pumunta siya sa daanan natin, no? Akala nyo. At ito na po guys, Barangay Pamigsian. Mana Pamigsian kuya? Pamigsian barangay. Oh.
Laki pala ng barangay ng Buntok, no?
Dami 40 barangays to. Wala naman siguro agianan na rin. Ito na po, Barangay Pamigsian. Malaki-laki naman tong barangay guys. Ag ulisihan kuya, ato apa dito ulisihan? Ulisihan yung puntahan natin?
Oh, doon pa yun.
Doon pa, malayo pa. Malayo-layo pa yun. Napakataas niya, no? Dadaan talaga tayo, daan. Bang bang. Oh, may butas. Ito pa rin mga rough roads. Oke. Mahirap din dito, guys. May nakaakyat kayo sakyanan kahit ang hirap, no? Ayan, ito na. Ito na ang sinasabi, guys, na Hilongos to Mahaplag Road. Nandito to sa Tagaytay, Pamigsian. Basig na si Ricardo Buyan diyan. Nakakapagod? Alauna 20. Hello guys, sa wakas napuntahan din natin itong may junction pathway patungong may ginagawang kalsada doon na Hilongos to Mahaplag Road. Sa loob ng 30 minutos na abutin natin ito. Galing sa may junction road doon sa barangay Pungon o barangay Hilaan. Nakaabot tayo dito sa junction pathway. Doon ay patungong barangay Ulisian at dito naman patungo San Antonio, Hilongos City. Tara na at titingnan natin dito. Last nating punta natin dito, guys, 2022. Wala pa to. Ang pizza pala natin ngayon, guys. Yung date natin is August 10, 2025. Patungo Sitio Katipunan, Barangay Utanan, Hilongos Leyte. Dito patungong San Antonio, Hilongos Leyte, pathway. At dito naman patungong Barangay Maligaya, Mahaplag Leyte. Dito Pamigsian, may kalsada doon patungong Ulisihan, Buntok.
to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Ito naman yung mga heavy equipment. Ito yung bulldozer. Diretso na dyan, guys. Pero pag kaya natin sa oras, guys, puntahan natin to dito. Sige, punta muna tayo doon sa Barangay Olisihan, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. Okay, guys, diretso tayo. Punta tayo sa Barangay Olisihan. Ito mga sira-sirang kalsada, oh. Nako. Kuya, ganyan kuya. Nakapatarik to, guys. Paahon na mga sirang kalsada. Ganito to dito. Okay. Itong kalsada ay dinadaan dito sa may tuktok ng bundok. Dito. Diyan bangin, dito bangin. Nandito tayo sa pinakatuktok ng bundok. Dumaan. Ito may cemented road naman dito, oh. Ito maganda tong paggawa ng kalsada dito kasi hindi nabibitak. Ito simento pero nabibitak. Simentado naman to pero parang kulang ng pagka-simento to, guys. Kulang ng timpla. Gamit lang tayo ng pilmiran dito, guys. Okay. Uy, parang may ambon na. Nako, ang haba-haba naman itong pagka ano dito. Sobrang palusong to, guys, oh. Kahit nagpipilmira tayo, first gear lang, parang tinutulak tayo pababa. Sobrang pababa to, guys. Paano kaya ito ginagawa nga? Bakit pasado ito sa engineer? Na ano nito? Yung pababa masyado. May ambon na, guys. Sana makaabot tayo doon sa barangay Olisihan. Hindi pa uulan. Ito naman. Okay na dito kasi maganda naman yung daan, yung kalsada. Pero doon sa kanina, sirang kalsada. Sa kaon na ba diri, no? Kinalang usara ka dod? Ha? Ater ka ang buguna ka dod na daw, eh. Kuya, una lang kuya, una. Ayay, nauwan minuon. Dool naman pa diha, no? Okay, guys, let's go. Pinababaha ko yung pasahero ko, guys, kasi maano doon, pahon to masyado. Okay, guys, let's go. Oo. Oh, nandito na tayo sa may Barangay Ulisihan, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. The farthest barangay in Bontoc. Kasya to. Uy. Misoroy ra ko dire? Soroy.
Soroy lang ni mag-vlog ba?
Aran suram dia dia dai. Wa dami kuha kang break gani kay na permanente break. Hello guys, sa wakas napuntahan din natin itong Barangay Ulisihan, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. Sa aking palagay ito ay isa sa pinakamalayong barangay dito sa bayan ng Bontoc. Nandito ito sa may bulunbuduking parte sa Bontoc Municipality. Halos mag-iisang oras nating binibiyahe dito galing doon sa may Barangay San Vicente Junction Road patungo dito. Kukuha muna tayo ng aerial shots nitong Barangay Ulisihan, Bontoc, Southern Leyte. Makikita din naman natin itong may ginagawang ongoing road construction of Hilongos Mahaplag Road. Dito makikita natin dito yung Barangay Maligaya, San Antonio at saka Sitio Katipunan, Barangay Utanan, Hilongos, Leyte.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Ah, sandali kita dire. Entering Barangay Ulisihan Buntok, Southern Leyte. Ay, oh. Kira. Oh. Dire ra ko kutob kay ara ka sa kaon. Tako yata.
Bye.
Multipurpose hall.
Bye-bye, kuya.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Di sige, ari sa may. Oh. Ah, sige.